Ebi nibyijeho bwanyuma ya kanso yabiregenderire kwanjura embarira ya sente ab'omwaka 2026 2027 kutoroga habiro 24 kwezi kwa kashatu 2026 nikwo speaker nanavukiri kwataho kurugaya bakatebe kansa kanso yaho naho yashitamera izuba kandi egi nayo yabanza kuretaho umunyuruzano hagati y'abakansila kuvura kw'isi mbaru ogwakubikiriza kutinsa nuko kubanza bakajemerezamu kumara eddakiika 10.
We are about 36 honorable councillors, so I see we are still lacking a bit. Yes, so if for Prime Speaker, I really request you if you can allow us, maybe you extend for 10 minutes as we get more members transact our business.
Na stakeholders nkakao RDC's office twaja mu fixing turebe kutwa kubasa kuraki kugaruka tukaconnectinga dots na ba councillors tukagamba nabo bakije bakashitama tukarangutwara kuri umukuru ogu ugota kubasa ku delegating to any other person.
Omumbarira ya district ya Yanjureri izoba cyashangwa ngo byo bwegese nibyo byatwara sente nyamwinji habucwekana na mukaga harigana ibyamagara habucweka 14 harigana akakurataho ebyenguto.
According to the Local Government Act 138 and Section 18, subsection 5.
Which section?
Cap 138, Section 18, okay. Subsection 5. I hereby stand as the Vice Chairperson through the draft budget estimates and statutory tools for the financial year 2026. Because number 5 says the Vice Chairperson shall deputize for the Chairperson and shall perform other functions that may be assigned to him or her by the Chairperson.
Wanyuma y'abakansila kweyongera mu namba kanso nuko kutandika kandi baketa chairman w'entebe ya gatano kwanjura budget bito abataruho kandi bakansala baba batari kumanya aho ari. Icyaretero muhwezi we kwimuka kamujwe cyere cyabanza kwa kansibwa ba kansila no kwe vice chairman LC5 kubashomera iteka eri kumuha ubushoborozi.
And you are calling upon the vice chairperson that he comes and lead the budget. I'm requesting that procedurally we get the letter that evidences the delegation. I beg to move.
6 billion 801 million and 89,000, which is 14.0%. Education, which is 21 billion 284 million 997,000, which is 40.5%. 46.5.
Twagambaho n'abakansara habikwatirine n'embarira y'erizoba nabo hine bashobora.
Ensereshimire kuzomuherese ensereshimire kuba mu works kazo mu roads ariko kuranza ke mutwese kurabamo abantu binji bahwerira mu accidents kandi nakabwiye ngutombe. When at least urubuto rwa central government kurira birta kozero kongito ubuto bwituriya bebukoze.
The challenge we have on masomero one abantu bitwine abayazire tibine sente zo kubasa contributinga zikabombekere bizimbe
ku rugebero 18 kwezi kwa 12 2026 no kwisiri izoba district ya Bushenyi tegatungire kachiko ka service commission habwe inshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ezikwetorora habushomankuzi kandi aba state house and corruption unit baereze kutaho mushongezi kandi kuchonroza kuriyo ni kugendo misho kandi bakansara abamwe nibajumirira inshongeji
ndebo ngo financial yiti yabareyo no kutimanya korene neseno kweza kwa barayo tukagendera ekintu cyaba cyakoze mu buri twakebwa bikiza kutamuko yamazi
akuraga gashakwa Olivia na Sasira umuri Bushenyi.